Today I'm going to show you guys how to make shredded beef taquitos and how to make birria from shredded beef as well too, with still tasting like birria tacos. So what you're going to do first is you're going to get, I prefer doing this late in the evening, nighttime. You're going to get your beef roast. You're going to get 1 quart of beef broth. Put it all in there. You're gonna add some salt. You're gonna add some pepper. Season it really good. You're gonna add some meat, all-purpose meat seasoning. Then you're gonna close it up. You're gonna put it to cook on high in your slow cooker overnight. And once it's done cooking and you open it up in the morning and you basically get some tongs and pull it apart, it breaks off really easily. Then that's when you can start the process of chopping it up into shredded beef to make taquitos. And I'll show you another video how to make birria out of the shredded beef. Now that your shredded beef is done cooking in the slow cooker overnight, pull some out, chop it up into pieces, and then now you're gonna get ready to roll up the taquitos. Before you start making the taquitos, now after the meat's done chopped up, you're gonna get about 10 corn tortillas. You're gonna get a nice clean kitchen towel. You're gonna fold it just like so. You're gonna put these tortillas inside the microwave for about a minute, so that way they can get nice and soft. They'll be easier to roll up. Now that your tortillas are nice and soft, you're gonna set them on here. You're gonna start putting your meat in. You're gonna roll it up. As you roll them up, after they're all done rolled up, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put them on a pan that's gonna have some oil that's nice and hot and cooking already, and you're gonna fry them till they're either nice, crispy, and hard, or soft, however you like eating your taquitos. This is a good little snack, something quick and easy to make on the go. I also like to, I don't eat taquitos just like this. I'll also do a side dish. I'll make some either Mexican rice or beef flavored rice-a-roni. I love rice-a-roni. Oh my god, I grew up on that as a kid. Roll them up like so. If they're unrolling, you can also add toothpicks to them, so that way the taquitos stay. Roll them up nice and tight, that way they don't fall apart when you're cooking them. Cook your taquitos until they're nice, crispy, and golden brown. Once the taquitos are done, put them on a plate or in a Tupperware with some paper towels under to absorb all the grease. Now you can dip these either in salsa, a homemade salsa. If you want to make homemade salsa, look at my videos on how to make spicy salsa or non-spicy salsa. You can dip these in cheese. You can dip them in avocado. You can dip them in sour cream dip. Whatever your preference of dip is for taquitos. Like I mentioned earlier, I like to eat with my taquitos. My side dish is beef flavored rice-a-roni. See that right there. Get half a stick of butter. Don't put more than that. Half a stick of butter. Let it dissolve. You're gonna stick the rice in. You're gonna let it cook until the rice is a little bit golden brown, not too much. There you go. Mix it up, blend it in. See, there you go. Blend it in with the butter. Like I said, let it cook until it's nice golden brown. Then after it's nice and brown, you're gonna add 2 cups of water. You're going to add the beef seasoning that comes in the box. And then after you're done doing that, you are going to put the lid on, put it on medium to medium low. Let it boil and simmer until it's nice and ready to go. Now that your rice-a-roni is nice and golden brown, add your 2 cups of water. Add the beef meat seasoning. Stir it up. Rice-a-roni is, you make it a little bit different than regular rice, Mexican rice. Mexican rice you can't be stirring too often. Rice-a-roni you can. So in between that is boiling, just stir it around a bit. Once you have all that in, put the lid on. Let it boil, simmer on medium for about maybe 10 minutes. Keep checking it. Once you see the water dissolve and it's cooked, then you're ready to serve.